violent extremism. It ultimately leads to proper radicalism, and it becomes violent radicalism. And ultimately, if some specific terrorist groups, they have their agenda and they have a good appeal to influence their minds, then they can be recruited as terrorists and suicide bombers, and they can create a big problem for the mankind. So this is an infection, and it should be tackled, it should be treated as soon as it starts, without waiting that level when it becomes cancerous or when it becomes untreatable. This process of preventing, I would say, terrorism should include preventing radicalism, it should include preventing violent extremism and non-violent extremism by correcting their behavior and way of thinking. I will come to this aspect in the end of my talk by democratizing them and by delegitimizing their arguments, their evidences, their ideologies, on the basis of which they are prompted to propagate their own views. Since my subject is related to Islamic ways and means to prevent radicalism, or to de-radicalize the youth, or to correct the mindset of the youth, younger generations, and using what kind of Islamic strategies and Islamic teachings are helpful in this way, and we can apply in the Danish society as well as any Western Muslim or non-Muslim society anywhere, even in Pakistan and the Muslim countries, because this problem and phenomena has become a universal phenomena, and it has no borders now. To me, there are specific tools which we need to use for de-radicalization or for prevention of the youth being from radicalized. When we talk of about religious aspect and Islamic aspect in particular, I would say the first tool which we need to use is conceptual clarification. Among Muslim youth, most of the terrorist groups, they misuse some theological texts